Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're still in Birmingham, Alabama, following US Highway 11 north, and we'll be in Birmingham for the entirety of this video. We're in the North Avondale neighborhood in a predominantly industrial corridor within the greater Avondale area. Avondale originated as a small settlement nestled around a natural spring on the northern incline of Red Mountain. Back in 1889, it attained its independent status as a city located east of Birmingham, experiencing significant advancements in both industrial and residential sectors. In 1910, Avondale was annexed into the city of Birmingham. Here we pass through the business district of the community of Woodlawn, which was once an incorporated city but was annexed into Birmingham in 1910. Today, Woodlawn is one of 23 communities that participate in the Community Participation Program that was drawn up to encourage local political activism and community development. This defined community is made up of the nearby neighborhoods of East Avondale, Oak Ridge Park, South Woodlawn, and the Woodlawn neighborhood itself. Recent revitalization efforts have made Woodlawn the new hot neighborhood in Birmingham, with the opening of high-end boutique businesses here in the Woodlawn Business District. We pass under Interstate 20 just east of its split from I-59. From here, we'll continue to follow I-59 as US 11 begins to turn to the northeast again. We conclude today's video at mile marker 142. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.